Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to next off with our look number one, led by the Mayor's Office, the Administration Office, and the Vegans Invention Center. Ladies and gentlemen, baby Bonita Vlog, the Pirates of the Caribbean. Once again, the Pirates of the Caribbean of Brooklyn, the Mayor's Office led by our City Mayor, Jose Bonita Season Jr., the Administration Office, and the Vegan Convention Center. Again, ladies and gentlemen, the Baby Bonita Vlog.
Seryoso di bintang na! Awan di ba na?
Our dogs don't give any member.
And now our group two, from the Vice Mayor's Office, and the the meaning of God. Alam mo ba ng God? Promises. Our meaning of God from Group 2, the Vice Mayor's Office, and the Sangguniang Panunsong.
Sinunod ni Goddess of Beauty sa dito. Goddess of Beauty, sinunod!
Oh my God, Medusa!
Wow, Medusa! Pagtanggen, Medusa!
Our group and forces led by our Vice Mayor Randy Singson.
Amaso na tiginteng nga!
And now for our Group 3, our very own, I belong to this group, the City Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office, the city treasury office, the city cooperative office, the business licensing office,
Ito ba nang mo lang? Awan ba ganyan gini?
Group 3.
Palalang yung nakabat. Pabalan mo kanta ka. Nag-sexy ni Ginteng na! Naglipatan! Ganda lulu! Ay, ang ganda.
Manang ako. Wala ka pag tumarang.
Or number group 4, or the group 4, for non-competing regular treasurer,
Kaya di mo
from the Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office. It's from the CHO, Staff Market Management, the Coffee Team. From the Hanai Coffee Team.
Hindi rin mo na tatalikutin. Sumangsango tayo. Berakal di kita logan na masakit kayo ito damdama ah. Seryoso? 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 May bitor ko ba kita prutas? Kaya mo sa ilalangis.
Management Office, the City Assessment Office, and the local registry.
Ito, sala-sala na rin. Paigit ko.
And Barbie. Executive Kendra.
Sultitan nyo! Sultitan nyo!
See, the city hall boys are great dancers. Okay. Let's dance.
Masyado yung nagsumsum pa! Ikaw magsala ka ba? Kamakitan. Oo.
Encanto.
Daycare.
And now, the magnificent of the City Planning and Development Office, the City Pet,
Malabas yan. Ikaw na po yun? Agriculture, veterinary.
and the City Veterinary Office. And of course, our City Agriculturists. Ayan po ang magigiting na City Agriculturists.
Bagay mo. Gusto ko mo ng tinibay ka aso, gusto ko mo.
Ayan, magnificent. Magnificent of them. And now the City Environment and Natural Resources Office and the City Engineering Office in Money Days.
Yan po kay Mirani din. Ang may pinili na.
Engineering ba ito? Engineering. Engineering.
And now our guest note from the provincial government of Ilocos Sur, and of course by our Governor Jerry C. Song.